looks a bit noisy. Just wanted to show you underneath the smart one. Speechless, guys, but I am today. Wow, this is definitely the part of the job that I love. So lucky to be able to MOT such a beautiful car. Absolutely stunning. So it's got a 2 litre Z-Tech in. Which sounds amazing, doesn't it? Wow. Right, I'm going to go on the MOT anyway. See you soon. Okay guys, so a quick sneaky peek at the interior. Now, I am led to believe that this is a replica of the one off Fast and Furious. So apparently the dials and the buttons are all the same. I am loving this. This has made my day. Amazing. Right, I'll show you under the bonnet. Look at that. What a thing of beauty. Wow. Loving it. So Betty has a new playmate for the day. Check that out. How amazing is that? So this is the car that we've got for MOT today. Full permission off the owner to show this car in its beauty. So as I said before, Fast and Furious replica. I'll be dead honest, I'm not sure, I've not seen all of them, but I am assured that that's what it is. But yeah, look at Betty there, bless her. She's so happy that she's got this playmate here today. But yeah, really, really nice to have this on site, and thanks to the owner for the permission. Fantastic. First time out, by the way, in 30 years, this car. And I have had the pleasure today of MOT testing it. Absolute pleasure. How beautiful. 2 old Fords together. My Betty looks quite young there, doesn't she, compared to that one? Very lucky girl to have these two on site. Just wanted to share. Okay, so this is the little beauty in the flesh. Look at Betty there. I think she's in love. Filthy bitch, isn't she? She's got good taste though, hasn't she? When I was MOTing this Escort, the guys made me laugh. The guy said, usually the way to a woman's heart is through flowers, chocolates, diamonds, and all they need to do with you is get an old Ford. So yeah, pretty much. But the reality is, how can we not just absolutely love that car? Wow, beautiful. Look at my little Betty there. Oh, nice. She's going to be coming in for some TLC soon, guys. Everything I've been waiting to do is going to be happening soon. I can't wait. So there you have it. Just wanted to share it. How lucky I am to be the first person to MOT such a beautiful car. In such a beautiful condition. Well done to the owner. What a fantastic job. Okay. Welcome to my world, guys. I am one lucky girl. See you soon.